abdominal fat, ability develop, ability improve, able man, abolish slavery, above average, above ground, abroad program, absolute right, absolute sense, absolute size, absolutely essential, abstract concept, abstract art, abstract level, abundant resource, abundant water, abundant energy, abundantly clear, abused child. Academic society, academic achievement, academic community, academic analysis, academic activity, academic background, academic career, academic failure, academic life, academic study, academic work, academic innovation, academic pursuit, academic research, academic training, accelerate progress, accelerate speed, accelerate development, accelerate growth, accelerate rate, accelerating rate, accept fact, accept gift, accept invitation, accept offer, accept responsibility, acceptance level, access database, access information, access system, accident happen, accident rate, accident insurance, accomplish work, account book, accounting department, accounting standards, accounting firm, accounting principle, accounting principles, accounting standard, accumulate wealth, accurate information, accurate measurement, achieve success, achieve result, achieve balance, achieve goal, achieve objective, achieve growth, achieve ideal, achieve work, achievement gap, acquire skill, acquire information, acquire understanding, acquisition cost, across country, across globe, across Europe, across world, action lawsuit, active participation, active engagement, active research, actively seek, actively involve, actual performance, actual amount, actual condition, actual experience, actual fact, actual loss, actually be, actually bring, actually have, actually improve, actually provide, actually small, actually increase, actually think, actually want, actually work, acute crisis, at business, at industry, adapt style, adapt quickly, adaptive ability, add up, add cost, add value, add complexity, add flavor, add together, add file, add pressure, additional stress, additional process, additional revenue, address problem, adequate control, adequate security, adequate amount, adequate information, adhere to, adjoining room, administration B, administration ability, administration plan, administration system, administrative cost, administrative cost, administrative guidance, admission letter, admission officer, admission process, admission test, admit feeling, adolescent boy, adopt measure, adopt child, adopt policy, adult child, adult woman, adult rat, advanced science, advanced technology, advanced course, advanced system, advanced method, advanced performance, advanced medical, advanced research, advanced project, adventurous spirit, advertising campaign, advertising budget, advisory commission, advisory role, advocacy group, aerial survey, aerial vehicle, aerial photograph, aerobic exercise, aesthetic effect, affect climate, affect environment, affect life, affect people, affect quality, affect society, afford opportunity, afford education, affordable housing, afraid lose, African Americans, African descent, African community, against law, against nature, against risk, against corruption, age group, age limit, age difference, age characteristic, aged people, aged man, agency work, agency cost, aggravate situation, aggressive treatment, aggressive use, aging population, aging process, agreed plan, agricultural production, agricultural country, agricultural society, agricultural worker, agricultural irrigation, agricultural problem, agricultural research, agriculture production, aid project, aim directly, aim management, air travel, air pollution, air quality, air flow, airplane, air condition, air conditioning, airspace, air current, air freshener, air traffic, Airbus aircraft, aircraft fly, aircraft fuel, airline travel, airline company, airline reservation, airplane mode, airport security, all natural, all around, all close, all valid, allocation strategy, allow people, allow use, allow user, almost certain, almost impossible, almost triple, almost always, almost certainly, almost instantaneous, along coast, alphabetical order, already know, already start, already see, already be, already have, already take, already use, also critical, also helpful, also dangerous, also essential, alter fact, alter pattern, alter way, alternative form, alternative fuel, alternative energy, alternative strategy, always keep, always know, always find, always give, always have, always mean, always come, always regard, always remember, always beautiful, always grateful, always open, always willing, always available, amazing amount, amazing way, ambitious attempt, America population, American society, American dream, American life, American company, American university, American culture, American economy, American worker, American family, American firm, American citizen, American corporation, American history, American president, American team, American dollar, American market, American tourist, American counterpart, American intellectual, American manufacturing, American city, American farmer, American government, American people, American population, American scientist, American soldier, American citizenship, American custom, American spirit, American capitalism, American colleague, American consumer, American dream, American media, American businessman, ample supply, analysis reveal, analysis procedure, analysis rule, analysis factor, analytical skill, analyze cause, analyze datum, analyze performance, ancestral home, ancient Greece, ancient building, ancient city, ancient culture, ancient Olympics, ancient philosopher, ancient society, ancient time, ancient Egypt, anecdotal evidence, animal research, animal rights, animal husbandry, animal intelligence, animal species, animal food, animal kingdom, animal life, animal meat, animal friend, announced today, annual increase, annual meeting, annual event, annual fee, annual holiday, annual loss, annual rate, annual average, annual budget, answer sheet, answer question, Antarctic ice, antique dealer, anxiety stress, anxiety disorder, apartment complex, appeal court, appeal directly, Apple computer, Apple company, Apple TV, Apple device, Apple store, application research, application technology, apply pressure, apply skill, apply equally, apply standard, apply information, apply project, appraisal standard, appreciate value, appreciate life, approach death, appropriate title, appropriate form, appropriate measure, appropriate place, appropriate material, appropriate policy, appropriate response, appropriate use. Aquatic resources, arbitrary decision, archaeological site, archaeological research, architectural design, architectural heritage, architecture magazine, architecture engineering, Arctic region, Arctic Ocean. Aristocratic family, armed force, around world, around country, around globe, around corner, arouse curiosity, arouse concern, arouse interest, arrange meeting. Arrive early, arrive late, arrive time, arrive soon, art market, art criticism, art science, art collection, art degree, art education. Artwork, art world, art dealer, art review, art show, art theater, art auction, art painting, artificial intelligence, artificial organ, artificial satellite, artistic quality, artistic ability, as usual, Asia summit, Asian country, Asian immigrant, Asian economy, ask question, ask help, ask people, ask advice, ask friend, ask participant, ask permission, ask opinion, assembly line, assess skill, assess strength, assessment test, assessment work, asset allocation, asset evaluation, asset loss, assign responsibility, assistance program, assistant dean, assistant professor, associate with, associate director, associate professor, associate dean, associated risk, assume responsibility, asteroid strike, astrological sign, astronomical telescope, at bottom, at beginning, at top. Athlete compete, athletic event, Atlantic Ocean, atmospheric pressure, atmospheric research, atmospheric temperature, attach importance, attend school, attend conference, attend meeting, attend ceremony, attend university, attendance record, attention span, attention focus, attract attention, attract criticism, attract customer, attract buyer, attract funding, attract people, attractive offer, attractive girl, auction house, author believe, author suggest, author imply, author argue, author say, author write, author indicate, author mention, author name, author book, author note, auto industry, auto company, auto safety, autopilot, automatic pilot, automatic operation, automatic processing, automatic process, automatic creation, automatically become, automatically download, automatically set, automobile accident, automobile company, autonomous vehicle, available online, available opportunity, available time, average people, average height, average increase, average rate, average year, average income, average individual, average person, average time, average wage, average woman, average reader, average effect, average guy, average inflation, average worker, average delay, aviation administration, avoid argument, avoid contact, avoid duty, avoid stress, avoid trap, avoid failure, avoid responsibility, await trial, award degree, award prize, baby boom, baby sister, baby boomers, bachelor degree, backup, back row, background check, background information, background knowledge, background material, background story, bacterial infection, bad dream, bad weather, bad argument, bad day, bad feeling, bad habit, bad taste, bad temper, bad time, bad way, bad thing, bad performance, bad form, bad state, bad manner, bad year, bad manners, badly need, badminton court, balanced diet, balanced system, balanced state, balanced system, ballot paper, band-aid, band play, bank account, bank manager, bank report, bankers association, banking industry, banking system, banking service, bar association, bar exam, bar lounge, bar room, Barbie doll, bare minimum, barely notice, barely enough, barely conscious, bargain price, bargaining power, barn door, base system, base area, base material, base knowledge, base view, base class, base principle, basic skill, basic right, basic rights, basic feature, basic level, basic need, basic research, basic change, basic discipline, basic economic, basic economics, basic foundation, basic idea, basic problem, basic qualification, basic difference, basic premise, basic theme, basic truth, basic use, basic way, basic cognitive, basic curriculum, basic function, basis information, basketball team, basketball association, basketball match, battery technology, battery power, battle cry, battle for, Bay Area, Bay Area. Be likely, be able, be important, be different, be essential, be available, be time, be responsible, be place, be possible, be wrong, be influence, be interested, belong, be incorrect, be sure, be necessary, be always, be unlikely, be problem, be often, be small, be capable, be concerned, be aware, be obvious, be concern, be kind, be well, be control, be busy, be ready, be desirable, be inevitable, be successful, be surprise, be common, be sensitive, be late, be dangerous, be unable, be conservative, be expensive, be effective, be harmful, be incomplete, be indispensable, be separate, be simple, be already, be helpful, be surprised, be conscious, be impossible, be natural, be active, be appropriate, be popular, be vulnerable, be dependent, be equal, be optimistic, be intelligent, be safe, be smart, be related, be damage, be danger, be difference, be importance, be opposite, be pleased, be relevant, be short, be unaware, be unclear, be complete, be aggressive, be reluctant, be significant, be valuable, be afraid, be tolerant, be criminal, be critical, be reasonable, be beneficial, be comfortable, be efficient, be familiar, be anxious, be confusing, be healthy, be preferable, be satisfied, be severe, be stationary, be surprising, be visible, be alive, be benefit, be odd, be patient, be inclined, be insensitive, be useful, be complex, be complicated, be convenient, be crucial, be friend, be inferior, be interesting, be poisonous, be rare, be straightforward, be suspend, be underestimate, be honest, be perfect, be accessible, be advisable, be applicable, be comparable, be confident, be costly, be curious, be enjoyable, be entertaining, be illegal, be immune, be inadequate, be ineffective, be irrelevant, be powerful, be productive, be religious, be selective, be serious, be skeptical, be supportive, be susceptible, be talented, be technical, be uncertain, be unconstitutional, be unrealistic, be useless, be valid, be worthwhile, be acceptable, be member, be sufficient, be unique, be warm, be equivalent, be liable, be ahead, be annoyed, be awake, be blank, be boring, be central, be characteristic, be coincidence, be competitive, be dominant, be eligible, be evident, be exciting, be frightened, be glad, be ignorant, be jealous, be lucky, be market, be objective, be painful, be polite, be quiet, be reliable, be representative, be resistant, be sad, be speculative, be suitable, be tired, be unemployed, be unfair, be unhappy, be variable, be vital, be awkward, be compliant, be universal, be constant, be ideal, be inconsistent, be nonsense, be partial, be apparent, be attractive, be complementary, be determined, be detrimental, be dissatisfied, be enormous, be fatal, be generous, be helpless, be homeless, be humorous, be inappropriate, be incapable, be indifferent, be influential, be logical, be meaningful, be normal, be obsessed, be outraged, be peaceful, be permanent, be permissible, be persuasive, be political, be practical, be profitable, be prosperous, be qualified, be shocking, be sociable, be strange, be subtle, be suspicious, be sympathetic, be thoughtful, be typical, be unacceptable, be unavoidable, be unrelated, be unsustainable, be unusual, be urgent, be usable, be viable, be weird, be accurate, be conflict, be order, be cooperative, be automated, be civilized, be desperate, be dishonest, be flexible, be grounds, be identical, be ironic, be outdated, be receptive, be remember, be shocked, be sophisticated, be stressed, be unfamiliar, be unjust, be unnecessary, be accustomed, be comfort, be competent, be customer, be depressed, be exceptional, be fortunate, be fundamental, be imperative, be inconceivable, be infinite, be insufficient, be legal, be liberal, be luxury, be mature, be negligible, be obedient, be pleasant, be special, be specific, be stranger, be temporary, be uncommon, be unreasonable, be unwilling, be worried, be conservative, be dynamic, be inconsistent, be inconvenient, be awkward, be blunt, be exclusive, be faithful, be implicit, be inactive, be inconvenient, be misunderstood, be native, be superficial, be absurd, be accountable, be adaptable, be advantageous, be ambiguous, be arrogant, be automatic, be conducive, be confused, be conspicuous, be constructive, be contentious, be continuous, be controversial, be convincing, be correlated, be courageous, be creative, be damaging, be defective, be destructive, be devastating, be digital, be diligent, be disruptive, be economical, be educated, be excessive, be experienced, be fascinated, be favorable, be flawed, be fruitful, be gradual, be guilty, be hesitant, be hunted, be impractical, be inclusive, be indicative, be inseparable, be insignificant, be interrupted, be justified, be knowledgeable, be legitimate, be manageable, be minimal, be miserable, be modest, be naive, be organized, be overblown, be overjoyed, be plentiful, be practicable, be precious, be prejudiced, be profound, be prolonged, be pronounced, be prudent, be puzzled, be rational, be realistic, be regretful, be remarkable, be respected, be responsive, be rethought, be rewarding, be rigid, be rooted, be sensible, be silent, be silly, be skilled, be spiritual, be steep, be sustainable, be terrible, be tough, be traditional, be trivial, be trustworthy, be unaffected, be unbearable, be uncomfortable, be unconscious, be uneasy, be unfounded, be unimportant, be unlimited, be unpopular, be untrue, be upright, be vague, be wasteful, be delighted, be disappointed, be durable, be frightened, be mistaken, be trouble, be patriotic, be underway, be suffering, be agitated, be astonishing, be challenging, be defensive, be distracting, be embarrassed, be embarrassing, be encouraging, be endangered, be exhausted, be extensive, be honored, be impartial, be intimidating, be inverted, be overwhelmed, be pregnant, be psychological, be scripted, be spoiled, be stuck, be systematic, be terrifying, beautiful garden, beautiful building, beautiful valley, beautiful world, beauty cream, become important, become president, become aware, become available, become confused, become difficult, become reality, become authority, become big, become dependent, become engineer, become extinct, become intense, become partner, become popular, become suspicious, become symbol, become unfashionable, become victim, become meaningless, become sensitive, become doctor, become famous, become time, become valuable, become weak, become complicated, become defensive, become stable, become urgent, become widespread, become distorted, become outdated, begin study, begin work, behave differently, behavior habit, behavior pattern, behavioral science, behavioral change, behavioral problem, behavioral research, behavior study, Beijing opera, belief system, belief function, believe strongly, believe way, believe people, beneficial effect, benefit cost, benefit people, benefit protection, benefit relationship, benefit analysis, berry fruit, better understanding, better practice, better service, better start, better way, beverage company, bewildering variety, beyond comprehension, beyond dispute, beyond reach, big company, big bang, big city, big change, big house, big splash, big deal, big chain, big advantage, big business, big concern, big crowd, big mistake, big one, big problem, big question, big retailer, big trouble, big development, big firm, big area, big bank, big decision, big difference, big drop, big impact, big issue, big jump, big majority, big money, big opportunity, big party, big rise, big source, big surprise, big action, big bet, big market, big win, $1 billion. Biodiversity, biopesticide, biochemical process, biodiversity loss, biological factor, biological evolution, biological explanation, biomedical research, biotech industry, biotech company, biotechnology industry, birth rate, birth certificate, birth canal, birthplace, blank expression, blank sheet, blank stare, bleak future, blood flow, blood vessel, blow dryer, blue sky, blue color, blue ribbon, blurred image, board seat, board directors, boast about, body fat, body mass, body language, body type, body art, Boeing aircraft, bold idea, bold action, book review, book club, book learning, book show, book marketplace, boom generation, booming economy, boost growth, boost production, boost demand, boost efficiency, boost income, boost productivity, boost percent, boring work, boring part, borrow money, both work, bottle water, bottled water, bottom line, bottom up, box office, boxing match, brain cell, brain surgery, brain imaging, brain system, brain imaging, brain drain, brain function, brain scan, brain research, brain scanner, brain chemistry, brain region, brain scanning, brain training, brand product, brand manager, brand new, break up, breakdown, breakthrough, break leg, break record, break cycle, break promise, break rule, breakout, break bone, breakfast table, breast cancer, breastfeeding, breathable air, breathe air, breathing difficulty, bribe official, bribery law, brick building, bridge repair, brief introduction, brief account, brief period, brief encounter, brief interview, brief case, briefly introduce, bright child, bright side, bright light, bright prospect, brilliant scientist, brimmed hat, bring benefit, bring together, bring back, bring up, bring help, bring joy, bring problem, bring profit, bring trouble, bring wealth, bring pressure, bring prosperity, bring relief, bring through, British Navy, British philosopher, British system, broad consensus, broad perspective, broad range, broad interest, broad sense, broadband connection, broadband service, broadly define, broken bone, brown paper, brush tooth, budget planning, budget limit, budget cost, build infrastructure, build house, build hotel, build plant, build system, build community, build machine, build station, build friendship, build market, build number, building house, building block, building industry, building field, building area, burn fuel, burn rate, bus lane, bus conductor, business method, business school, business cycle, business management, business people, business culture, business model, business partner, business process, business competition, business environment, business need, business opportunity, business community, business development, business executive, business letter, business operation, business owner, business sector, business strategy, business transaction, business world, business day, business deal, business idea, business license, business relation, business reporter, business review, business tour, business vision, business group, business council, business life, busy city, busy life, busy people, busy schedule, busy hour, busy lifestyle, busy work, buy product, buy something, buy book, buy asset, buy happiness, buy aircraft, buy gift, buy goods, buy item, buyer market, buying power, buying behavior, buy contrast, buy bus, buy post, buy computer, buy machine, buy rail, buy mail, buy train, buy experience, buy force, buy hand, bypass operation, cab driver, cable company, calcium oxide, calcium deficiency, California University, California coast, call people, call attention, call transfer, calm down, calm manner, COM-C, caloric intake, calorie intake, Cambridge University, campus network, campus life, campus management, cancel plan, cancel project, cancel out, cancer patient, cancer care, cancer cause, cancer cell, cancer institute, capable person, capacity limit, capacity utilization, capital market, capital control, capital income, capital investment, capital industry, capital management, capture attention, car manufacturer, car run, car dealership, car manufacturing, car production, car driver, car ownership, car culture, car key, car payment, car show, car making, carbohydrate food, carbon dioxide, carbon material, card reader, card maker, care about, care child, career prospect, career counseling, career expert, career path, career goal, career advancement, career change, career counselor, career option, careful investigation, careful consideration, careful nursing, careful check, cargo aircraft, carry bag, carry capacity, carry money, carry cash, case study, case record, case test, cash register, cash money, cash prize, cash transfer, cast iron, casual sex, casual remark, casual style, cat owner, catastrophic risk, catch fish, catch attention, catch cold, catch sight, category include, Catholic Church, causal relationship, cause cancer, cause harm, cause problem, cause crisis, cause controversy, cause damage, cause decline, cause trouble, cause change, cause conflict, cause death, cause delay, cause pollution, cause accident, cause anxiety, cause disease, cause inflation, cause stress, cause unhappiness, cautious approach, Cayman Islands, celebrate birth, celebrate holiday, celebrity chef, cell research, cell biology, cell protein, cell therapy, cell nucleus, center business, central system, central element, central idea, central role, Central Europe, central organization, central value, central part, centralized control, certain feature, certain kind, certain age, certain amount, certain area, certain aspect, certain degree, certain part, certain way, certain limit, certain characteristic, certain circumstance, certain condition, certain extent, certain knowledge, certain occasion, certain thing, certain trend, certain value, certain model, certain order, certainly be, certainly seem, certificate request, chain reaction, challenge phase, chance increase, change attitude, change world, change time, change structure, change job, change mind, change life, change nature, change behavior, change climate, change dramatically, change environment, change pattern, change process, change view, change way, change greatly, change rapidly, change opportunity, change place, change society, change behavior, change change course, change focus, change form, change gradually, change habit, change law, change lifestyle, change occur, change policy, change price, change routine, change situation, change size, change strategy, change work, change frequently, change constantly, change effect, change affect, change arrangement, change code, change lead, change ownership, change profession, change style, change taste, change anything, change impact, changing environment, changing situation, character flaw, character education, characteristic change, characteristic culture, characteristic test, characteristic model, charge rate, charge tax, charge fee, charitable organization, charity sale, chart illustrate, chat show, cheap labor, cheap price, cheap energy, check answer, check accuracy, check fact, check spelling, check status, check carefully, chemical fertilizer, chemical change, chemical power, chemistry experiment, chew gum, chief executive, chief concern, chief justice, chief officer, chief reason, chief business, chiefly responsible, child rearing, child relationship, child abuse, child development, child learn, child play, child rights, child bear, child care, child grow, child labor, child psychology, child bearing, child policy, child benefit, child health, childhood obesity, childless couple, children hospital, China policy, China experience, Chinese language, Chinese silk, Chinese official, Chinese costume, Chinese banquet, Chinese dream, Chinese leadership, Chinese culture, Chinese dress, Chinese philosopher, Chinese idiom, choice word, choose one, choose word, choose way, choose career, choose major, choose name, Christian university, Christian tradition, Christmas gift, Christmas tree, Christmas day, chronic problem, chronic stress, chronic illness, chronological age, circular economy, circular road, circulation desk, citation index, cite example, cite case, citizen society, city area, city town, city council, city traffic, city newspaper, city center, city dweller, city life, city people, city suburb, city rail, city image, city level, city center, city state, city development, city region, city subway, civil society, civil servant, civil aviation, civil service, civil right, civil rights, civilized man, class action, class conflict, class culture, class divide, classic case, classical music, classical theory, classical tragedy, classical economic, classical economics, classical literary, clean energy, clean air, cleaning lady, clear message, clear idea, clear advantage, clear answer, clear purpose, clear rule, clear sense, clear connection, clear target, clear way, clearly define, clearly express, clearly aware, clever design, clever way, climate change, climate impact, climate condition, climb ladder, cling to, cling film, clinical depression, clinical psychologist, clock design, cloning technique, close attention, close door, close eye, close friend, close relationship, close tie, close collaboration, close cooperation, close inspection, closely related, closely examine, closely link, closing ceremony, cloud computing, close test, club member, co-author, co-worker, co-founder, co-director, co-operate, coal power, coal chemical, coal oil, coal gas, coal ore, Coast Guard, coastal city, cocktail lounge, coding system, coffee break, coffee consumption, cognition behavior, cognitive science, cognitive system, cognitive development, cold climate, cold weather, cold winter, cold current, collect tax, collect datum, collect information, collect payment, collective bargaining, collective action, collective future, college student, college degree, college education, college graduate, college application, college course, college level, college professor, college campus, college graduation, color combination, color texture, color ink, color picture, color code, combat poverty, combine effort, combustion engine, come together, come close, come home, come conclusion, come school, comedy drama, comfort zone, comfortable life, comfortable feeling, coming year, command language, commercial fishing, commercial practice, commercial culture, commercial enterprise, commercial information, commercial interest, commercial use, commercial value, commercial advertisement, commercial basis, commercial project, commercial services, commercially viable, commission president, commit crime, commit suicide, commit act, committee report, commodity price, commodity exchange, common sense, common culture, common people, common humanity, common ancestor, common feature, common origin, common application, common cold, common experience, common misconception, common practice, common problem, common way, common area, common family, common idea, common language, common life, common method, common name, common good, common research, common project, commonly use, commonly regard, communicate message, communicate well, communicate effectively, communication revolution, communication satellite, communication skill, communication industry, communication infrastructure, communications commission, communist manifesto, community college, community service, community work, community welfare, community economy, company make, company product, company base, company name, company site, company business, company plan, company profit, company image, company process, company SIA, company debt, company investment, company web, company try, company information, comparative method, comparative study, compatibility issue, compatibility problem, compensation committee, competition law, competition pressure, competition pattern, competition market, competitive environment, competitive advantage, competitive pressure, competitive price, competitive race, competitive society, competitive capacity, competitive product, competitive world, competitive force, competitive spirit, competitive behavior, complete answer, complete ban, complete control, complete homework, complete recovery, complete task, complete test, complete trust, complete blank, complete opposite, complete removal, complete revolution, complete review, completely ignore, completely new, completely agree, completely impossible, completely normal, completely random, completely ready, completely unknown, completely reasonable, complex system, complex algorithm, complex behavior, complex combination, complex decision, complex interplay, complex series, complex society, complex structure, complicated procedure, component cost, comprehensive reform, comprehensive review, compulsive behavior, compulsory education, computational procedure, computational power, computer science, computer skill, computer revolution, computer system, computer age, computer education, computer engineer, computer monitor, computer technology, computer design, computer language, computer mouse, computer program, computer programming, computer record, computer security, computer communication, computer database, computer simulation, computer device, computer machine, computer network, computing power, computing system, concentrate control, concentration gas, concentration problem, concept creation, concept development, conceptual art, concern about, conclusive evidence, concrete research. Condition improve, condition change, condition worsen, conditioning equipment, conduct research, conduct search, conduct experiment, conduct test, conduct survey, confident voice. Confrontational approach, connect people, connect world, connected device, connection process, conscious control, conscious mind, conscious choice, conscious effort, conservation measure. Conservation area, conservation policy, conservation system, conservation management, conservative leader, conservative force, conservative party, conservative view, conservative policy, consider quality. Consider factor, consider impact, consider importance, considerable effect, considerable loss, considerable number, considerable profit, consistent theme, constant conflict, constant price. Constant fear, constant need, constant practice, constantly improve, constitute majority, constitutional right, constitutional guarantee, constitutional law, constitutional power, constitutional principle. Construction worker, construction company, construction building, construction work, construction system, construction way, consultancy company, consultancy service, consultancy services, consultative group. Consulting firm, consume fuel, consume product, consumer market, consumer preference, consumer company, consumer culture, consumer demand, consumer electronics, consumer price. Consumer product, consumer satisfaction, consumer trend, consumer electronic, consumption fall, consumption pattern, consumption mode, contact lens, contact signal. Contact directly, contact person, contain water, contain number, contain caffeine, contemporary art, contemporary world, contemporary culture, contemporary trend, continental plate. Continually update, continue work, continue struggle, continuous wave, continuous supply, continuous exposure, continuous noise, contract price, contribute directly, contribute significantly. Contribute fund, control pain, control environment, control experiment, control market, control result, control process, control emotion, control temperature, control price. Control regulation, control thought, control vehicle, control behavior, control spending, control system, controversial plan, controversial figure, convenient way, convenient service. Convenient use, conventional value, conventional view, conventional wisdom, conventional media, conversion program, convey meaning, convey message, conveyor belt, convince people. Cook meal, cook dinner, cooked food, cooking skill, cool head, cooling effect, cooling tower, cooperate with, cooperate closely, cooperation development. Cooperation summit, cooperation work, cooperation economy, cooperative spirit, coordination ability, cope challenge, cope situation, coping strategy, copper plate, copy action. Copyright Act, Coral C, core member, core market, core processor, core belief, corporate board, corporate governance, corporate value, corporate interest. Corporate ladder, corporate responsibility, corporate tax, corporate welfare, corporate communication, corporate strategy, corporation governance, correct word, correct conclusion, correlate with. Corresponding letter, corresponding information, corresponding change, corrupt practice, corrupt practices, cosmic ray, cosmic cloud, cost rise, cost reduction, cost benefit, cost dollar, cost increase, cost analysis, cost money, cost control, cost estimate, cost standard, cost lot, cost distribution, cost plan, cotton production, cotton fiber, cotton seed, cotton thread, count number, counterculture, counter-argument, counter-force, country economy, country population, country system, country control, country fair, country music, country school, country area, country land, country planning, couple day, couple year, course arrangement, court decision, court ruling, court rule, court justice, court judge, court case, courteous manner, courtship ritual, cover expanse, cover range, cover story, create job, create atmosphere, create environment, create goodwill, create character, create demand, create machine, create pressure, create value, create union, create music, creation form, creative freedom, creative individual, creative thinking, creative expression, creative force, creative idea, creative mind, creative potential, creative way, creative destruction, creative approach, creative personality, creative experience, credit card, credit crisis, crime rate, criminal behavior, criminal act, criminal activity, critic argue, critical problem, critical reading, critical attitude, critical factor, critical mind, critical point, critical stage, critical state, critical year, critical assessment, critical mass, critical period, critical requirement, critical skill, crop production, cross-section, cross-Atlantic, cross-road, cross-street, cross-cultural, cross-talk, cross-mark, cross-river, crossing river, crowded room, crucial period, crucial role, crucial time, crucial question, crucial issue, crude oil, crude price, CT scan, cubic foot, cubic meter, cultivate creativity, cultural content, cultural tradition, cultural perspective, cultural bias, cultural diversity, cultural event, cultural exchange, cultural heritage, cultural communication, cultural comparison, cultural concept, cultural advancement, cultural context, cultural convention, cultural development, cultural evolution, cultural history, cultural implication, cultural innovation, cultural meaning, cultural study, cultural psychology, cultural resource, culture tradition, culture consumption, culture society, culture identity, culture research, culture secretary, culture war, culture character, culture class, culture collection, culture education, culture influence, culture relic, culture service, culture world, cup tournament, cure disease, cure cancer, current system, current law, current situation, current state, current wave, current affair, current crisis, current economy, current emphasis, current leader, current rate, current research, current business, current development, current downturn, current mechanism, current pattern, current structure, current work, current knowledge, customer demand, customer purchase, customer feedback, customer loyalty, customer service, customer record, customer segment, cut cost, cut tax, cut way, cute animal, cute baby, cybercrime, daily life, daily plan, daily basis, daily press, daily intake, daily necessity, daily newspaper, daily schedule, daily work, daily business, daily commute, daily exercise, daily ritual, daily task, dairy farm, dairy production. Dam project, damage habitat, damage health, damage ecosystem, damage relationship, dance troupe, dangerous game, dangerous work, dangerous situation, dark place. Data analysis, data security, data center, data collection, data sharing, data value, database size, date information, day work. Day nursery, day job, daytime, dead volcano, dead body, dead people, dead end, dealers association, death rate, debt trap. Decade ago, decision make, decision making, decision maker, decision mechanism, decisive role, decisive moment, deem as, deep layer, deep valley. Deep love, deep reading, deep research, deep appreciation, deep breath, deep impression, deep meaning, deep root, deep snow, deep analysis. Deep color, deep secret, deeply rooted, deep water port, default setting, default option, default state, defeat evil, defective gene, defend freedom. Defense mechanism, defense against, defensive move, deficiency disease, define role, definite answer, degree program, degree subject, delay effect, delay gratification. Deliberate practice, delicate balance, delicate situation, deliver aid, delivery vehicle, delivery truck, demand increase, demand rise, demand attention, democratic society. Democratic Party, Democratic Senator, Democratic Reform, Democratic Leader, Democratic Majority, Democratic State, Demographic Change, Demon World, Dense Forest, Dense Atmosphere. Dense Wood, Densely Populated, Dental Hygiene, Deny Access, Deny Possibility, Department Store, Department Report, Departure Time, Depend on, Depend entirely. Depend heavily, depend largely, depend upon, depend mainly, depend partly, depend largely, dependent on, deposit money, depression disorder, depth exploration. Deputy chief, derive from, derive benefit, describe briefly, describe picture, describe characteristic, desert world, deserve attention, deserve praise, deserve respect. Design course, design fashion, design build, design job, design concept, design house, design programming, design creativity, designing concept, desktop machine. Desperate situation, desperate effort, desperately need, detail record, detail work, detailed plan, detailed description, detailed information, detailed report, detailed review. Detect change, detect signal, detection systems, determine cause, develop habit, develop standard, develop code, develop country, develop rapidly, develop sense. Develop skill, develop strategy, develop theory, develop environment, develop science, develop potential, develop capability, develop capacity, develop device, develop program. Develop slowly, develop project, develop energy, develop mode, develop naturally, develop quickly, develop future, developing countries, development schedule, development society. Development training, development agency, development plan, development priority, development area, development fund, development field, development interest, development potentiality, development production. Developmental psychologist, developmental stage, device use, devote life, diarrhea disease, die young, dietary guidelines, dietary pattern, differ considerably, different people, different thing, different way, different kind, different set, different type, different culture, different part, different reason, different shape, different sort, different story, different time, different company, different job, different organization, different problem, different angle, different area, different aspect, different background, different country, different explanation, different group, different idea, different language, different path, different period, different perspective, different scheme, different school, different standard, different state, different strategy, different university, different view, different algorithm, different lifestyle, different tissue, different circumstance, different fate, different generation, different proportion, different situation, different environment, different gender, different image, different item, different plant, different project, different rule, different service, different study, different strategies, different game, different style, different size, different species, different animal, different tax, difficult work, difficult point, difficult condition, difficult decision, difficult problem, difficult task, difficult time, difficult life, difficult people, difficult journey, dig deeply, digit inflation, digit rate, digital divide, digital service, digital information, digital product, digital economy, digital age, digital technology, digital recorder, digital advertising, digital life, digital version, digital map, digital business, digital platform, dimensional image, dimensional map, dinner table, dinner party, dioxide water, dioxide emission, direct link, direct relationship, direct democracy, direct result, direct relation, direct implementation, direct product, direct reason, direct management, directly relate, directly related, director general, dirt cheap, dirty air, disability insurance, disabled child, disadvantageous position, disappear soon, disappear quickly, disappear forever, disaster death, disaster happen, disco music, discount ticket, discover way, discriminate against, discuss issue, discuss detail, disease control, disease resistance, dishwasher, dishonest person, dismiss worker, disruptive technology, distance travel, distract attention, distribution density, distribution site, disturbing trend, diverse people, divert attention, dividing line, divisive issue, divorce rate, DNA testing, DNA molecule, DNA test, DNA sequence, DNA database, DNA technology, DNA evidence, do work, do job, do homework, do business, do exercise, do sport, do shopping, do something, do deal, do experiment, do housework, do research, do task, do exam, do project, do study, do anything, do contribution, doctoral degree, doctoral student, dollar price, dollar volume, domestic market, domestic situation, domestic consumer, domestic flight, dominant power, dominant role, dominant mode, dominant issue, dominate market, door open, dormant volcano, double digit, double income, double effect, double figure, double standard, double rate, Downing Street, download music, draft paper, drama music, dramatic change, dramatic reduction, drastic change, drastically reduce, draw conclusion, draw attention, draw map, draw experience, dream job, dress formally, dress neatly, dress warmly, dress shirt, drift away, drift sand, drift ice, drink water, drink alcohol, drinking coffee, drive car, drive force, drive back, drive fast, drive north, driver license, driver safety, driving force, driving experience, driving instructor, drop percent, drop dramatically, drop rate, drop weight, drop out rate, drought condition, drought resistant, drug abuse, drug agency, drug company, drug price, drug development, drug interaction, drug manufacturer, drug addict, drug industry, drug research, drug use, drug administration, drug injection, drug efficacy, drug list, drug substance, dual language, dual core, dual processor, due attention, during decade, during war, during year, during century, during day, during vacation, during depression, dust jacket, dynamic world, dynamic element, email, early day, early year, early adulthood, early century, early stage, early time, early promise, early form, early generation, early month, early settler, early part, early era, early America, early death, early education, early experience, early work, early history, early life, early delivery, early human, early October, earn living, earn point, earn salary, earn enough, earn interest, earn credit, earn income, earnings increase, earth surface, earth interior, earth environment, earth temperature, earth atmosphere, earthquake tsunami, earthquake resistance, earthquake disaster, ease tension, easily explain, easily digestible, easily find, easily identifiable, easily identify, easily available, easily influence, easily accessible, easy task, easy access, easy way, easy availability, easy time, easy transportation, easy day, easy use, eat animal, eat snack, eat together, eat well, eating habit, ecological system, ecological change, ecological environment, ecological imbalance, ecological problem, ecological value, econometric analysis, economic growth, economic decline, economic situation, economic outlook, economic performance, economic system, economic social, economic downturn, economic development, economic recovery, economic strength, economic value, economic reality, economic activity, economic consequence, economic indicator, economic need, economic potential, economic slowdown, economic implication, economic importance, economic uncertainty, economic asset, economic risk, economic advantage, economic boom, economic climate, economic condition, economic cooperation, economic crisis, economic disaster, economic forum, economic future, economic globalization, economic health, economic imbalance, economic interest, economic issue, economic life, economic model, economic policy, economic progress, economic prospect, economic recession, economic stagnation, economic status, economic structure, economic transition, economic balance, economic conference, economic engine, economic historian, economic motive, economic necessity, economic weakness, economic pattern, economic social, economic science, economic challenge, economic downturns, economical growth, economically viable, economics professor, economy boom, economy scale, economy security, economy structure, ecosystem environment, ecosystem services. Edge research, edible food, edible fruit, educate people, educate child, educated people, educated man, educated person, education reform, education training, education committee, education experience, education market, education minister, education aim, education society, education system, education forum, education sector, education development, education investment, education science, education achievement, education principle, education qualification, education statistics, educational background, educational system, educational experience, educational achievement, educational advantage, educational reform, educational requirement, educational policy, educational opportunity, educational program, educational resource, educational standard, educational process, effect change, effective way, effective government, effective action, effective policy, effective marketing, effective security, effective means, effective approach, effective means, effectively protect, efficiency management, efficiency value, efficient staff, efficient management, efficient use, efficient energy, efficient system, efficient work, elaborate design, elaborate system, elastic band, elderly parent, elderly woman, elect representative, election ballot, election campaign, election day, election result, electric car, electric shock, electric vehicle, electric bulb, electric light, electric utility, electrical engineering, electricity generation, electricity bill, electricity power, electronic product, electronic device, electronic mail, electronic means, electronic money, electronic world, electronic industry, electronic payment, electronic age, electronic computer, electronic game, electronic dictionary, electronic system, electronic intelligence, electronic payment, electronic game, electronics show, elegant atmosphere, elegantly dressed, element name, elementary school, elementary education, eliminate possibility, elite university, elite athlete, embrace idea, embrace change, embryo stage, emergency meeting, emergency funding, eminent scholar, emit radiation, emotional change, emotional appeal, emotional life, emotional need, emotional state, emotional tone, emotional stability, emotional control, emotional exchange, emphasize importance, empirical approach, empirical research, employ people, employee member, employee loyalty, employee base, employee health, employment fall, employment opportunity, employment agency, employment insurance, empty bottle, empty promise, empty life, enable access, enact law, encode information, encourage use, encourage innovation, encourage student, end section, end day, end war, end time, endanger life, endeavor to, endless talk, energetic people, energy source, energy conservation, energy supply, energy service, energy infrastructure, energy use, energy company, energy crisis, energy level, energy market, energy minister, energy radiation, energy supplier, energy transportation, energy giant, energy technology, energy administration, energy information, enforce law, enforce regulation, engage activity, engine development, engineering major, engineering student, engineering consultant, engineering field, engineering production, England team, English translation, English dictionary, English language, English test, English speaker, English learner, English skill, English name, English speaker, English speak, English writer, English breakfast, English countryside, English course, English exam, English professor, English student, English teacher, English text, English usage, English vocabulary, English department, English examination, English grammar, English history, English novelist, English education, English contest, English country, English society, English speech, enhance image, enhance competitiveness, enhance ability, enjoy popularity, enjoy life, enjoy right, enjoy time, enormous influence, enormous potential, enormous loss, enough oxygen, enough people, enough food, enough protein, enough money, enough reason, enough support, enough time, enough electricity, enough vitamin, enrich experience, ensure fairness, ensure success, ensure future, enter country, enter field, enter period, enter college, enter school, enterprise economy, entertainment company, enthusiastic support, entire community, entire city, entire society, entire village, entire work, entire class, entire structure, entirely new, entirely different, entirely reasonable, entirely separate, entrance ticket, entrance test, environment day, environment friendly, environment destruction, environment factor, environmental activist, environmental change, environmental degradation, environmental group, environmental study, environmental factor, environmental protection, environmental quality, environmental friendliness, environmental label, environmental goods, environmentally sound, epidemic of, equal opportunity, equal share, equal attention, equal importance, equal pay, equal time, equal protection, equal right, equal rights, equal treatment, equally effective, equally valid, equally big, equipment failure, equipment investment, equipment technology, error detection, especially true, especially active, especially significant, especially small, essential nature, essential element, essential feature, essential substance, essential quality, essential factor, essential idea, essential process, essential security, essential characteristic, essential ability, essential life, essential work, established company, estate broker, estate investment, estate agent, estate investor, ethical question, ethical issue, ethical value, ethical judgment, ethics code, ethnic culture, EU Council, EU member, Eurozone, Europe market, Europe country, European Union, European Bank, European Commission, European country, European University, European capital, European community, European convention, European history, European identity, European model, European network, European school, European team, European travel, European government, European people, European commissioner, European culture, European economy, European nation, European project, European society, evaluation rule, even more, even have, even bad, even change, even make, evenly spread, evenly split, event occur, eventual goal, eventually replace, eventually led, eventually lose, eventually return, eventually come, ever have, ever change, ever meet. Ever-changing world, everyday situation, everyday reality, everyday activity, everyday life, everyday practice, everyday live, everyday living, evidence support, evidence suggest, evidence base, evidence prove, evidence show, evidence study, evil influence, evil nature, evolutionary theory, evolutionary process, evolve independently, exact mechanism, exact sequence, exact quantity, examination paper, example show, example illustrate, example type, excellent performance, excellent chance, excellent school, exceptional circumstance, exceptional job, excess demand, excess fat, excessive borrowing, excessive demand, excessive drinking, excessive reliance, excessive time, exchange program, exchange view, exclusive use, exclusive right, exclusive rights, executive suite, executive coach, executive office, executive committee, executive director, executive power, executive branch, executive agency, executive departments, exercise control, exercise routine, exercise influence, exercise right, exert influence, exert pressure, exhaust pipe, exhibition art, existential crisis, expand market, expand production, expand service, expand further, expansion joint, expansion project, expansion program, expansion system, expect more, expensive equipment, expensive cost, experience problem, experience difficulty, experience reference, experience work, experiment show, experiment plan, experiment observation, experimental biology, expert advice, expert advise, expert believe, expert recommend, expert suggest, expert warn, expert opinion, expert information, expert review, explain information, explain situation, explanatory note, explicit permission, explicitly state, exploration study, explore possibility, explore area, explosive situation, export country, export base, export price, exporting country, exposure time, express idea, express dissatisfaction, express joy, express clearly, express delight, express displeasure, express emotion, express support, express way, express thanks, extended family, extension service, extensive research, extensive use, external source, external cost, external control, extra income, extra burden, extra training, extra space, extra year, extra vitamin, extreme case, extreme stress, extreme condition, extreme measure, extremely important, extremely sensitive, extremely different, extremely high, extremely painful, extremely useful, extremely clear, extremely influential, extremely low, extremely helpful, extremely interested, eye contact, eye movement, fabric softener, face challenge, face threat, face difficulty, face situation, face problem, face competition, face crisis, face death, face future, face pressure, face danger, face reality, face turn, facial recognition, facial feature, factor affect, factory owner, factory make, factual information, faculty member, fade away, failure rate, failure cause, faint praise, fair play, fair competition, fair share, fair comparison, fairly reliable, fairly good, fairly rich, fairly confident, fairly limited, fake news, fall down, fall asleep, fall sick, fall behind, fall rate, fall dramatically, fall place, fall over, false story, false choice, familiar sight, familiar example, family member, family tree, family life, family live, family budget, family business, family firm, family move, family value, family fortune, family economic, family quarrel, family relationship, family unit, family name, family poverty, family film, family influence, family party, family security, family hotel, family physicians, family education, famous artist, famous player, famous shop, famous scientist, fancy car, fantastic idea, far more, far away, far east, far enough, far different, far-reaching influence, farm worker, farm work, farm management, farming technology, farming industry, farming equipment, farming technology, fashion industry, fashion world, fashion design, fashion model, fashion show, fashion business, fashion company, fashion institute, fashion week, fast food, fast fashion, fast grow, fast move, fast pace, fast travel, fast growth, fast car, fasten belt, fat content, fat man, fatal disease, fatal flaw, favorable condition, favorite form, favorite actor, favorite movie, favorite song, favorite toy, favorite song, favorite activity, fear doubt, fear death, feature article, federal government, federal law, Federal Express, Federal Commission, Federal Court, federal money, federal state, federal power, federal grant, federal policy, federal authority, federal funding, federal judge, federal police, Federal Reserve, feed dog, feel good, feel comfortable, feel bad, feel guilty, feel awkward, feel confident, feel disappointed, feel pressure, feel shame, feel strange, feel sure, feel upset, feel regret, feel certain, feel sympathy, feel dissatisfied, feel humiliated, feel miserable, feel responsible, feel discouraged, feel overwhelmed, feel threatened, fellow competitor, fellow man, fellow member, fellow countryman, female counterpart, female participation, female baby, female colleague, female doctor, female labor, female rat, female secretary, fertile soil, few people, few week, few minute, few decade, few year, few day, few month, few second, few thing, few word, few opportunity, few hundred, few option, fiber cable, fiber optic, fiction writer, fiction book, fiction novel, field study, field production, field activity, field event, fierce competition, fierce opposition, 50-year, fight back, fight hard, fight infection, fighting fire, figure out, figure represent, fill out, fill form, fill box, fill information, film version, film shot, film review, film process, final decision, final draft, final exam, final chapter, final experiment, final hour, final work, finally win, finally realize, finally agree, finance education, finance research, finance insurance, financial support, financial risk, financial software, financial responsibility, financial burden, financial incentive, financial problem, financial aid, financial crisis, financial difficulty, financial institution, financial market, financial success, financial system, financial fallout, financial advice, financial assistance, financial condition, financial constraint, financial future, financial goal, financial history, financial impact, financial loss, financial pressure, financial product, financial regulation, financial reward, financial security, financial experience, financial need, financial status, financial capacity, financial contract, financial institute, financial protection, financial regulator, financial service, financial services, financial effect, financial accounting, financially secure, find job, find way, find work, find fault, find information, find method, find site, find time, find answer, find cause, find difference, find employment, find people, find place, find reason, find support, find everything, find company, find something, finding show, finding indicate, find spectacle, fine art, fine book, fine weather, fine grain, fine arts, finish line, finish assignment, finish homework, finish college, finite resource, finite verb, fire safety, firm base, firm action, firm control, firm stand, firmly believe, first paragraph, first time, first year, first generation, first place, first half, first impression, first job, first sentence, first step, first class, first draft, first decade, first come, first day, first quarter, first serve, first thing, first word, first concern, first experiment, first amendment, first appear, first century, first chance, first evidence, first glance, first glimpse, first hear, first hour, first introduce, first look, first meet, first month, first move, first need, first person, first president, first priority, first sign, first start, first week, first shipment, first chapter, first instinct, first hand, first hearing, first line, first object, first program, first site, first unit, first preference, first rate, first event, first grade, fiscal transfer, fish stock, fish species, fish head, fishing technology, fishing boat, fishing industry, fishing rod, fit nicely, fit well, fitness goal, 5-member, flatboard, fleeting moment, flock together, flood control, flow freely, flow information, flower bloom, flu vaccine, fly across, fly high, fly low, flying object, focus attention, focus shift, focus exclusively, focus entirely, focus primarily, fold paper, follow statement, follow fashion, follow closely, follow advice, follow practice, follow rule, follow example, follow instruction, follow model, follow pattern, follow regulation, follow route, follow suit, follow tradition, follow way, follow development, following passage, following paragraph, following picture, following sentence, following part, food import, food producer, food production, food service, food nutrition, food outlet, food security, food supply, food demand, food taste, food testing, food industry, food item, food product, food sale, food shortage, food health, food export, food culture, food shelter, food standards, food chain, food energy, food market, food supplement, food budget, food giant, food marketing, food sector, food trade, food category, food export, full people, foot race, football player, football association, football match, footwear industry, for instance, for pleasure, Forbes magazine, Forbes list, forbid use, forbidden city, foreign investment, foreign visitor, foreign capital, foreign fund, foreign corporation, foreign language, foreign worker, foreign student, foreign competition, foreign enterprise, foreign country, foreign friend, foreign labor, foreign official, foreign policy, foreign travel, foreign community, foreign teacher, foreseeable future, forest road.